your phone into a cash generator. Ever wonder how much your smartphone could become a cash generating machine? Imagine earning up to $100 or more with just a few taps on your screen. Today, we dive into a world of effortless money-making opportunities through innovative apps. Stay tuned as we unveil the secret to making money in your spare time or introduce you to apps that could potentially change your financial game. Upwork.ai to start, head over to Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. If you are using an iPhone, both stores have the same apps. But for this example, I will demonstrate using the Google Play Store. I will guide you through finding apps that let you earn money effortlessly on your phone. Let's start with the first app, Upwork.ai. It's a new app with a fantastic 5-star rating and over 50,000 downloads, which is pretty impressive. I expect it to hit 1 million downloads soon. To begin, just install the app and I will show you how it works. According to the website, it says, make AI work for you, share your internet, earn passive income. It's the first people-powered AI network offering real-time, unbiased insight for creators, brands, and businesses. This app is safe to use, and it's an innovative concept. You install the app without much effort, you start earning. It's a simple process. The website provides a step-by-step guide on installation. Make it very user-friendly. Once it's installed, you earn every time you have the app open on your phone. While it might not pay the most, it's definitely a good option to start your earning journey. Thrive Monetizer. Let's take a closer look at our second feature app, Thrive Monetizer. This app brings a fresh perspective to making money online by leveraging your internet connection. As we explore the website, we are greeted with a compelling slogan, share your internet connection and make money online. The concept is similar to our first app, but promises higher payout. The core idea behind Thrive Monetizer revolves around the question, why would we pay for your traffic? The answers lie in the high demand for marketing and advertising agencies for customer visit, website traffic, and extra internet bandwidth. This innovative approach taps into the vast potential of the 92% of unused bandwidth that most people have. Users can earn an average of $29 for each connected device, which is quite tempting. With a user base of 350,000 and commendable 4.1-star rating, Thrive Monetizer has gained remarkable popularity, boasting over 1 million downloads. The search and download highlight its effectiveness and appeal to users, making it a valuable addition to your collection of internet sharing apps. In the ever-evolving world of passive income opportunities, diversity is crucial. Therefore, having multiple internet sharing apps on your phone, including Thrive Monetizer, allows you to maximize your earning by tapping into different sources simultaneously. Good dollars. Let's dive into the intriguing realm of innovative app called Good Dollar. It's named for its mission to distribute universal basic income in the form of cryptocurrency. This groundbreaking app is not just for those facing financial challenges, it's also for people looking for an extra income source. Make Good Dollar unique is how it brings together the cryptocurrency community while offering free earning to users. When you visit the website, you will see a compelling message: free money is a public good, unlocking human potential with digital universal basic income. The platform has an impressive track record with 640,000 users onboarded, facilitated $6 million in transactions, and a notable money multipliers of 13 times. Pretty enticing, right? To explore the possibilities and potentially benefit from this digital universal basic income, you can easily sign up and join this transformative initiative despite having hundreds of thousands of downloads currently. The app has already earned a 4.3-star rating out of 5, making it a user-friendly and well-received. The potential for widespread adoption look promising given its unique approach to financial inclusivity. As more people discover the advantage of Good Dollar, its user base is likely to grow into the millions. So don't miss out. Explore the world of Good Dollar, where universal basic income meets the digital age. Make money, play, and earn cash. Let's check out the fourth app on our list. The one I have been really excited to show you: Make money, play, and earn cash. This app has done some really cool stuff. It's given out of $150 million to people, got more than 2 million awesome reviews on the Google Play Store. Plus, it gathered $40 million from investors all around the world. What makes this app different is that it gives you a lot of ways to make money. You could make up to $1,200 a year listening to music or playing games. And when it's time to get your money, you got options like putting it on your bank account, using PayPal, or even getting gift card for places like Amazon or Walmart. Starting is easy. Just download the app and sign up. People really like this app because it's safe to use and easy to understand. It's a great choice if you want to make some extra money without a lot of hassle. Basically, this app makes it simple to turn your phone into a money-making machine. Moving on to our last recommendation, Cash Raven. We continue our journey into the realm of earning passive income by sharing your internet connection. The reason for collective various apps like this become clear. Each one may offer unique benefit in having a variety, increasing your potential earning. Like its counterpart, Cash Raven emphasizes the importance of safety control during installation to ensure a secure and reliable user experience. As we examine the earning structure, it's clear that the more devices you have in operation, the more income you can generate. This app provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to monitor and control the shared data, promoting a safe and efficient earning environment. According to the statistic, sharing 33 gigs per day could potentially yield around $100 per device. The flexibility of this model lets you invite friends and family, perhaps your parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, to create a network of shared devices that collectively contribute to your earning. In essence, this concise yet comprehensive video serves as a time-saving guide, offering you a great selection of apps that can turn your idle time into a profitable venture. Strategically integrating these internet sharing apps not only optimize your earning, but also simplify the process, sparing you the tedious task of searching for opportunities independently. And that's it for today, guys. Don't miss out your chance to turn idle moment into cash. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more money-making tips. Keep the momentum going by watching our next video on YouTube. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next one. Peace.